Okay, everybody, so I'm here at Bad Camber again. Ran into one of the podcast alumni, Klaus Missing, and he was on the podcast back when we did an interview with him about the Head Muller registry and also the early Carmen. And today we're here at Bad Camber, and he's here in a really rare, unique vehicle. So, Klaus, you tell us about, tell me about the car.
Yeah, this is a Type 18 police convertible from June 49. 800 were ordered in 48 by Volkswagen. Producer is Head Muller, yeah, and they started early 49 with the cars. They need about 14 to 16 weeks to build out of a sedan car this police convertible.
Right.
And yeah, it has a very complicated roof mechanism. You need two or three people to open and close it. Yeah, and we have no doors, like you can see.
Yeah, so the purpose of this car was so the policeman could get in and out of the car really fast.
Yes. Volkswagen wanted a car where 4 people can very quickly go in and out.
So this was commissioned by Volkswagen. They thought this was a good idea.
It was the idea. The first idea was from the Volkswagen dealer Schulz in Essen. He had also the idea for the Type 40. So, and with this idea for a Type 18 or a police convertible, he went to Wolfsburg and told them his idea, and they said, okay, please, who can build it? And he said, okay, Head Muller in Wilfrat can do it. And they had a price 6,000 euros, so they saved money without doors and so on, and with a very cheap mechanism. You see, it's very complicated and really,
yeah, it's a real crude. It's not very refined. They just it was basic to keep them from getting wet in the rain.
Yes.
And then just a basic, I mean, stripped down model.
Yes.
Now this is, what color is this?
This is Tannengrün, or Tannengrün. It's a green tone from the past.
Is a factory Volkswagen color, or this is military?
They went all out in green.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all out in green. And because of these chains and no doors, the people didn't like it. The police guys, they didn't want the car. They wanted to drive Mercedes 170 convertible. And so they stopped the production by number 275. They cut, as Volkswagen said, thank you, stop it, we cannot sell it, nobody wants it. And this car does his job in Hamburg in the red district of St. Pauli, very funny. Yeah, the criminal guys, they came here and were a bit,
Is that what that set up to handcuff him down into the car? And this car cruised the red light district over there. And then so one question that I have is when Volkswagen had commissioned them to build these cars, would they exchange the cars or would they ship 500 cars? I mean, obviously they couldn't hold 500 cars at the Head Muller factory. So they send batches of cars?
Send by train the cars, they produce them, and when they are ready, they get new ones.
So once they got the last lot of cars, they said no more. So there wasn't more of these produced than, like they had none that were half finished. Like once Volkswagen said stop finishing.
At 275, and funny is that this car number 275 is in the Grundmann collection.
Oh, really?
He didn't know that this was the last one. It's funny. And we have now, from those 275 built cars in my registry, are 15 left. No,
wow.
50.
So this is one of 15 cars to exist.
I have a funny Martin's horn in it, if you like to hear it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a 6-volt compressor, so it's very loud.
The 6-volt siren. Yeah, this is wild. Real police vehicle. They don't work great in the water. Yep. And that's original with the car, huh?
No, when the cars goes to the cities or to the communities, they make their special things. Yeah, some built some mirrors here. I did put them here, and the cars were different. Some had Martin horn, some not.
And now these are obviously the semaphores here.
Yes.
And now we talked about earlier, because Head Muller's grandson was here, Dr. Head Muller, and as we were talking, you said Volkswagen had commissioned 7 700 of these?
They ordered 800 cars.
800 cars.
They had the contract, and Hetmüller ordered then 800 lamp sets. 800. So when they stopped at 275, they had 525 lamps over.
Right.
Yeah.
So
and
we're looking for these lamps, right?
yeah, and Frank Hetmüller said, my father has them in the basement. Yeah.
Nice.
No.
Nice. Yeah. Well, that's cool, man. Again, it's a great car, and is this your most recent acquisition of cars that you've purchased? Like, right, this is your most recent car that you got, that you own?
Yeah, I bought it last year in February, and for my collection, I love to have different cars. Yeah.
And the other cars you've painstakingly restored, started with your Hetmüller's multiple pieces, like all these things. Now, with this, you bought this mostly complete.
It's fun. This car makes a lot of fun. You hang in the chain, you see the asphalt, the street. Yeah. I'll show you the engine.
And you get to enjoy it, right? And what's it got for an engine?
It's 24 horsepower. I just installed the correct coil. The rest was okay. And there are no police cars in the world with the first engine, because when they had an emergency case, they jumped in the car, the engine was cold, and they full gas, and then the engine sold maybe a half a year or 1 year.
So all the time on the police cars, they would swap out the engine. So, well, cool. Well, Klaus, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you.